Virtual reality, VR, is an immersive digital technology that is transforming the automotive industry. VR allows automotive designers to rapidly visualize and test digital prototypes. Using VR headsets, designers across the globe can collaborate in real time on vehicle designs in a shared virtual environment. In manufacturing, VR improves productivity and quality control. Manufacturers are utilizing VR simulations of its assembly lines to optimize workflows. This helps accelerate manufacturing ramp-up when launching new vehicle models. For marketing, VR enables more immersive customer experiences. VR test drives in dealerships are allowing customers to experience a virtual test drive before purchasing. Integrating VR with complex legacy manufacturing systems is difficult. However, as the technology improves and costs fall, these barriers are being overcome. VR promises to be an integral technology that transforms how automakers bring new and innovative vehicles to market. At XY Automation, we understand the importance of keeping your production line moving. If you're experiencing downtime due to broken automation parts, we can supply new, used or obsolete parts quickly. Don't let downtime damage your business. Contact us today.